Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Chandraman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make three-phase motor starter wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. 4-pole MCB circuit breaker, magnetic contactor, selector switch, motor, earthing connection, first phase connection, second phase connection, third phase connection, neutral connection. First phase connection to MCB, second phase connection to MCB, third phase connection to MCB, neutral connection to MCB. First phase connection from MCB to contactor, again from MCB to contactor, second phase connection, third phase connection from MCB to contactor, neutral connection from MCB to connect contactor coil connection. Output connection from contactor and MCB common connection to selector switch. Output connection from selector switch to connect contactor coil connection. Three-phase connection from contactor to connect motor. Earthing connection connect to motor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.